Alright, so first we took out the stem and let all the air out. After we determined which way we wanted the stem to face, once it's inside, now stuff it in there.
Gotta scoot up closer because that cable doesn't let me do much. This ain't gonna be easy. I gotta try to get this over. See, that rim is so heavy. It's trying to fall out the backside, and I kind of need it to stay in to give me space.
Let me know if you need a hand. You hold the rim.
Yeah, hold on. It's just kind of hardly any room for the two of us in there. See, I'm just used to the ones, like I said, that you unplug them, but because this is so high powered, they don't want any more connections than they have to. Okay, that cap that I was needing now.
Cap?
Yeah, the cap that you said was underneath this rim.
Yeah.
So that's what's going to keep this tube from falling back out. Okay.
You ever line the tire with grease?
Not with these. With go-kart tires I have to, but no. These aren't that tight of a fit to where you should need that. My problem is that this is in my way to push this all the way down, otherwise I wouldn't have had that do what it did.
It's just giving me flashbacks from being in the Marines and
Oh, I'm sure, yeah.
changing those dang Humvee and 5-ton tires.
Yeah, they're a little different, a lot stiffer sidewall. Yeah. Oh yeah, I worked at a tire store for a couple of years. And some of those tires we had to do. Okay. That's good. Okay, before we air it up, I'm going to put it back on before we air it up. Just want to let the bike down some, maybe. This is where I might need your help, Brian, because this thing is so heavy to try to hold it up, line it up, and all that. I'm just going to wind up taking this brake caliper off here, too, because that's going to get pain in the ass for me to try to line up and do all at the same time with how heavy that damn wheel is.
Yeah.
That wheel is freaking... It's not heavy like I can't lift it. It's heavy like I can't just hold it out at arm's length for any length of time.
Yeah. By the way, what do you think about my brakes? They need to be changed yet?
You can look at them, but I doubt it. Unless if you've been doing some real high-speed maneuvers.
Well, I got like over 700 miles.
Already 700 miles?
Yeah.
My brakes went to almost, on my bike's almost 2,000 miles before I needed pads. People say change them every 1,000, but I got almost 2,000. I got more than 2,000 out of my bikes before I changed them.
my Milog,
and they still were never down near grinding.
I think my Milog got like 1,400 or something. The first round.
Yeah. Yep, that sounds pretty average. Yep, that sounds pretty average.
They've just been making some noise, and I've been like...
Okay, just let me remember these spacers when I put that back together. I think I'm going to lower the bike down now, because I don't know how easy I'm going to get that to go in there without your help. I got to rotate it though to get this line, this groove. You see how the flat part has to line up?
Yeah.
It has to rotate.
Also this...
Can you hold the bike too? I'm trying to push the bike forward and it's going forward when I need it to.
All right.
Nope. Keep it like that. Keep it like that. Okay. Move your foot. It's still not, it's almost like these have got to be spread. That's why it gave me such a hard time coming out, because that's narrow. So I've actually got to spread those a little to get this to go back on, which is not going to be an easy deal. I'll just let you know that right now. Because, well, I'm going to need bottom line is I'm going to need your hand. I can't.
Okay.
I'm not going to be able to do it